I want to talk to Monica Lobolobo. Monica Lobolobo, Igo Nyabue. Ige YouTube, Monica Nyabue. Or see well like me more tien Bavana or way. Ige YouTube now ya bury with Monica Bet. Oga Sagmon here, boy. Why una they rush they go YouTube like this? YouTube, see the way they carry on. Now Monica they talk so. Make could take am easy now. Monica, you me swear am for you today. Now YouTube money don't take bury you. Now you go take buy your casket, YouTube money. Make you mark am down. This one not be say Meriedos the penna. I get YouTube here in Nigeria. I get investment already. Before I say me they subscribe to my YouTube now. Make everybody just get that one for their head. I don't already make them before I want to enter YouTube. So that make time not reach man, not to say hey. I not be them. I be very different person. I am very straightforward. I say the truth. Monica, you don't deceive people, leak people secrets so it enter YouTube. Not be there's never go you enter YouTube. They were born Allah we na see who they talk. Wow. Mom not play YouTube easy. Not because of YouTube, may they not bring you, they not be making all they do trouble again. Because say you don't reach where you they go. Even for Facebook, say just they come out when they do trouble. Because you don't see something for you to say, wow, you go waro via na via got table name about me arriving. Not because of that one you saw what they do saga. Are they lie? Not be him. You they do saga for Facebook before, made them for they follow you, they buy something. As now, you don't go YouTube, they pay you free money. Not be making all do saga again. If I put your fear kun le Monica, wa gbel, you get YouTube ni Umana ya pe, ye gbere, umana ya neru mena ye gbere. Now that YouTube money don't take buy your casket. Yes, because you not doing well. You not doing well. Wa gbel. I want be ye saga. Not because I say come buy here you do saga before. YouTube don't they pay you free money. Saga finish. I be at the lie. Uno bolo de kororo wa il va bo fie kun le loué. Il va bo rien fie kun le loué wa gbe wa vana wa we. I want all of them to go YouTube. Maybe they see money to the chop. I want everybody to go to YouTube. I want all, if it's possible, subscribe to this one, the other one subscribe to you. Go. Oh, you bought the money where they get I got to where your room or bugbe. Oh, you bought people they are doing advert for their thing, for their billionaire things. They will see your thing is good. They will tell YouTube will now put their advert in your thing. Once their advert don't enter your thing, that billionaire will pay YouTube will come pay you. Yes. Wow, Monica. You think I don't know these things? When you don't use everybody their head to enter YouTube. Now you can't say, make una play can music now. Everybody go room there. Life na bebe. Wow, now your casket now you the gather. A casket of where we were gather with YouTube. If you don't know. Useless person, useless woman from a useless mother. You are both fear kun le loué. Can you imagine? Who you think say you want fool? Who you want fool? Not be Meriedos. Not be Meriedos of all people. You know me very, very well, Monica. You can fool other people, but not me. And this saga again. I don't stop. Don't you see the way you can't use less because of money? People they say Meriedos to like money. Now lie my people. Now matter I day. I always do He made me you go yahoo my dear. I know how to struggle for my genuine money. Yes, me I be still never dry. Money not the dry from my hand. All this one they think for Facebook. Now lie, now joke I did. Money not the dry from my hand. You see this Monica wait be say enough get anything for hers before. Now she can't open. Now she dey run. Me boy women or one now my second house. No me as a third house. Now they go for Beniso. One there for Belgium. One there for Guyoko. Now the one there for Sapler Road. Now they go Agbo. Yeah, YouTube. One Monica, what about fear you are gathering your casket money. I said it is myriados. What you not go feel even come out again because you don't see YouTube money. So anybody can come out now and insult you. You know come out because you go where you go. You go where you go aren't you ashamed of yourself? How many years have you been in Europe? Monica. It's now you are in a hurry. Shame on you. Shame on you. You were shame on you. If I'm even on YouTube today, the money YouTube will give me maybe is to help the children in New Benin. It's to help the children at New Benin. It's not to build my house. It's jamais. Ha, I get time. Not be YouTube money go make me build my house. Lie. The YouTube money is to help people, to help the children at New Benin. And not be like you where you carry YouTube money, go change down to 10 naira, tell the spray. You are a very useless woman, Monica. I go do am again, me I can't tell you now. Monica, now I'm go kill you. Yeah, a YouTube in here. You go over at the casket. I will come out again and do this live video. This page, I go show my face. Monica, hey, what bell now? Unless you like that, do I hear? What bell or what you be me and what you the casket? Wow, if I bought your cool, Mona seems to wala. Is it you tell your friend do baby? I love this girl, what she and mommy love. When I yaw, if you're enough, call lao. Yes, that is my girl. I like what you did, mommy love. You are so sweet. It's good. I like you struggled. You get there. He said me they not struggle. He said Monica say where people they do they go YouTube. Where TV YouTube. They could not take a easy. I like back by your boy. And if I say YouTube now. Wow, you they collect now your money when they pay you, so now you take buy your casket. Or now how you gonna wear the casket when I'm worth it. I hear love, Joe. Unda. What bell? You know the shame because you do saga. Me they follow you the bad hair. You are a very useless person. Very useless to the core. Okay, like you as you come enter YouTube, they pay like this. Now then Monica can say, hey, you we saga. Una bad hair, una not bad hair now, una no. YouTube money go cover them. I'm not lying. What bell? Mona no go YouTube. Mona self for this YouTube. You want to let them, if they like, make them all of them hurry enter there. It not concern you. It not concern you. They like make them fight for them. It's not of your business. Of your kito be there. Not mind them. Me, I just say, hey, I just go to Nigeria, come back. I get many things. I know I confused say because of them not follow me back. I know me wait travel. I don't know where I go sell my hair. I don't know. I know how to do my things, man. I know how to do my things. I cannot come on social media and start doing nonsense because I want you to buy hair from me. I have people who buy hair from me. Especially now, even white, they follow me, they buy real hair pass. White people. Monica, where you want to see white? Not the Azul or Facebook. Where now? Where? Who lo efe? You know go lo efe, Monica. Wa who lo efe? I am an agboe. Who you go near the casket? Go call your boy, tell him to see what this Mary those talk. Obo go off you. Mota. You go new at the casket. For what? How dare you? How can you do the okeke? Or the bed that make una not the make una sorry for this YouTube. Make una sorry for this YouTube. What feko? I got feko what's it, bobo. Not be her. Not be her, she dey be YouTube. Oh. Now the saga, they carry, now when she dey Facebook, where them Naija was they carry her, she not get sense that time. She come dey do the saga, till they say her, till they say things. When she go cause people finish, people come they call and they hail and say, Mama, you too much. Oh, Mama, that thing where you just talk, you too kid that live video. Mama, I beg, how much for your straight hair? Mama, I beg, how much for your Brazil, the other one? Erioya, no. As money can come enter YouTube now, Money where they pay and order. You know why we saga.